Is investing in commodity mutual funds a good idea? Let's find out what financial expert Mr. Gururaj thinks about this. Gururaj, over to you.
Of course, yes, there are commodity related funds also in our portfolio, which you can, that's where I said, see, for example, when it comes to asset allocation, all I can do is equity, debt, and gold is there. Apart from that, you want to allocate something to commodities, you can do it. In fact, we have gold and silver. Technically, if you see, they are commodities, right? So I'm already having gold. Other than that, if you're looking at something, you can have it as a part of diversification. Nothing wrong in it.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.